Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into my Gearwrench ratchets, more specifically the 90-tooth standard design and the 90-tooth compact head design. So in my previous video you might have seen me do a comparison of the Gearwrench and Tekton 90-tooth ratchets compared to the Cobalt ratchet 90-tooth and its design and quality differences. Well, today we're going to be taking a look at the two Gearwrench ratchets, how much of a difference they are internally, as well as the head design and all of that. And I really hope you guys enjoy it. Both of them are fantastic ratchets. I've really enjoyed them, and that compact head can be really nice for certain situations. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. We'll tear them down, we'll take a look. Let me know your guys' thoughts on it. If you guys enjoy, make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, and as always, hit that subscribe button. Here we are looking at the Gearwrench standard length comfort grip 90-tooth ratchet that was recently released within the last year or so. And then we are also looking at the newer 90-tooth compact head Gearwrench ratchet. So these were released maybe a couple months after the standard 90-tooth design, and it is going to be really good for those tight situations. And what they've done is they've slimmed down. This comes in a two-piece set. You can also get a stubby 3/8 with that same compact head design, but I figured we're going to tear these down and take a look at the internals to see how much they differ, because the head design on this is quite a bit smaller, laying one on top of the other. The compact head is quite a bit smaller, and yet they're both still 3/8 drive, so it's going to be really interesting to see the main gear on this. And then as far as thicknesses go, it is a little bit thinner as well. And then the height of the head. So all around it is a much more compact head design. What do you know? But we're gonna see how much they differ internally, whether they have the same setup and it's just a smaller gear and pawl inside, or what they've done differently. So let's go ahead and get these torn down. It's just going to take a pair of snap ring pliers, pop the backing plate off, and then we'll take a look inside. So I've got the backing plates off. The snap rings are right up here. Same design as far as backing plates. So let's just go ahead and pull the main gear out, holding the pawl to make sure it doesn't fly out. One thing you will notice is there is an O-ring that sits down in this groove that butts up against the backing plate to help keep it sealed. Backside. And now I'll just go ahead and get the other one pulled out. It is also going to have the O-ring here. So let's set them next to each other and take a closer look. So they did keep the same design, just a much smaller design or gear for the compact head. Putting them together, you can see the difference in size. As far as thicknesses go, it is a little bit slimmer as well. So nice to see that they kept the same design, didn't have to reinvent the wheel in order to do this. And why that's good is because I've had good experience with the 90-tooth ratchets over the last year and really enjoyed them. So it's good to see it is still maintained in the compact head ratchet. Now obviously the torque specs are probably most likely not going to be as strong as the standard, but taking a closer look internally, they're both lubricated very well. The design, once again, is all the same, very easy. You have a pin that is spring-loaded into the reverse lever. I'm not going to pull those out, it's identical. And then the pawls here are going to be the same design and everything. I'm really glad to see that. I'm glad to know that this ratchet should be as reliable as the standard one. Whereas, you know, obviously I won't be applying as much torque with this compact head ratchet. I mean, you still do have good length, so you can, but knowing that that head design is just shrunken down, you just, not that I ever apply maximum torque to a ratchet. If I'm ever struggling with a certain drive size ratchet and I can't fairly easily break loose a fastener, I'm most likely just going to step up to the next drive size. So it's it's good to know that everything is going to be as reliable, and it's really nice having that compact head design for those tight areas. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions on either ratchet. The pricing and everything, they will be linked in the description for you guys, so it'll all be there. They're priced fairly well. As long as you buy them in sets, don't buy them individually, you'll end up spending more money, so just keep that in mind. But if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.